Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG CLIA. This kit contains one bottle lyophilized magnetic microbeads, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130617514M. Then we can see lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see the pictorial representation of this kit. On instruction manual inside this kit, we can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall representation of front view. Here we can see the another angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG. The reference number of this kit 130617514M. Then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After open the first product is here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, then product name MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130617514M, 50 tests per kit. This is C certificate IVD product. In this instruction manual we can see the intended use, summary, test principle, reagent, warnings and precaution, reagent handling, stability of reagents, controls, lot of stuff in this instruction manual. We keep this aside. The next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal. Here we can see SSB, and the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, and keep this aside. And the next one is a control stickers, total of 8 nurses. The first 4 for control 1, the second 4 for control 2. Here we can see anti-SSB IgG control 1 for 4, anti-SSB IgG control 2 for 4, total of 8 nurses, and keep this aside. And the next one is a control solutions and 1 bottle of lyophilized magnetic microbeads. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this. Here we can see clearly after unpacking. The first one is control 1, control 2, then lyophilized magnetic microbeads. I am taking the first one. Here we can see MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml anti-SSB IgG control 1 solution. I keep this aside. The second one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml anti-SSB IgG control 2 solution. I keep this aside. And the next one is anti-SSB IgG lyophilized magnetic microbeads 1 bottle. Here you can see the product name MAGLUMI. And keep this aside. And the final one is MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG CLIA reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer solution, 12.5 ml AVI label, 15 ml dilute. Here we go for summary. Today we can see Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI anti-SSB IgG CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal sticker 3 nozzles, control stickers for control 1 and control 2, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a control 1 solution and control 2 solution, and 1 bottle of lyophilized magnetic microbeads. Then a reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute. Thank you.